Hi, it's me again, Eleanor. I'm a digital content producer for 12 News Now in Beaumont. Our station actually had to be evacuated this morning due to the flooding. I just wanted to give you an update as of what things look like at my apartment complex in Beaumont, near Dowlen Road and Lexington, as of 2 p.m. Some dark clouds are still passing over this afternoon, but the water's a lot lower than it was. And as you can see, the water's gone down around the downstairs apartments. All around here, it's not quite so high anymore. My neighbors still have their cars parked up pretty high, but the water receded from that apartment over there where it was flooding at 7:30 this morning. I'm walking through pretty deep water here, and so is my doggy. Some of my neighbors are trying to cross the street in the road.
Hello, Finn. Are you pretty wet? Finn is pretty wet. He doesn't like the rain, do you, Finn? What do you think, Finn?